Good morning, dear students. I hope you are taking care of yourself. You are staying home. You are fit. You are fine, and you are healthy. The main thing is that you are watching the videos which we are uploading on the YouTube channel of our school. And yes, let us come to the main part. That is, we have already started with chapter number 4. That is the early states of political system in India. In the previous video, I have given you the information about what kind of political system which was been carried into the earlier times and what is the political system which has been carried into the current scenario. जो political system ancient time में carry on हो रहा था, that is totally different that into the current situations. Earlier, it was mainly a type of a monarchy type of systems which was mostly followed. When the Britishers, when they came to India, they made us follow the rules and regulations which were being framed by themselves. But as and when India got the independence, we started following the rules and regulations which were being framed in the constitutions of India, because ultimately India became independent country, and as and when India became a republic country, we came under the rule of the prime ministers. Prime minister was there. He had the councils of ministers, and with the help of that, he was making us to follow, or he was making us to abide with the rules and regulations which was being discussed and which was being framed into the constitutions of India. ठीक उसी तरह the same way we need to follow the process into the state. The chief minister is the head of the state. That we all know. The chief minister of Gujarat is Sri Vijayabhai Rupani ji. He as and when he has the consultation with the prime minister, अगर कोई ऐसा नया रूल लाना है स्टेट के लिए, so first of all he has the he consults the prime ministers. He discuss अगर हमें कोई रूल लाना है और हमें फॉलो करवाना है, then what happen? He discuss with the prime minister, and then after we follow the different kinds of rules and regulations which has been given to us. So in this chapter we have already discussed about the first one is, हमने सबसे पहले जनपद के बारे में डिस्कस किया था. So it says जनपद about around 1000 BC. 1000 साल पहले की बात है. It says the earlier states of different clans, they came and they settled in Punjab region and गंगा रिवर एरिया. तो ये ऐसा बता रहे हैं कि जनपद, it was been stated like there was around 1000 BC. These people, these clans, or different clans of people, different states, they came and settled near the Punjab region and Ganga river area. उसके बारे में कि these were the people who came, this were be known as the जनपद. उसके बाद आया था who came, it was महाजनपद, and it says there were around 16 महाजनपद इंडिया में थे, and amongst them in 16 में से it was been stated that there were 4 main states which were having the competition, that is Magad, Kosal, Vatsa and Avanti, and amongst them Magad it proved to be the strongest. And we have seen that in the Magad there were different dynasties. Magad के अंदर भी there were different dynasties. There were different dynasties, and the first one is the Haryanka. Second is Nag dynasty, and the third is the Nand dynasty. So Magad के अंदर like Magad ruled, it was being ruled, it says like by the 3 dynasties. It was the Haryanka, Nag and the Nand dynasty. Today we will be covering with the topic of Republic. Okay, we have seen, I have just told you that India is a republic country. After getting the independence from the Britishers, we were before 1947 we were under the British rule. And in the British rule, it is said like there was a monarchy kind of systems which were being followed. We know that the country England is still under the regime, or else under the rules of the queen or the king. It says like the Queen Elizabeth, she was ruling India, staying into the England, and as and when the Britishers had control on us, it was being taken care by Queen Elizabeth. Whatever the rules were being framed, she was sitting in England and she was framing the rules and regulations, the orders which we were following. It was being discussed with her, and then after that we were following the order. But we got independence with the help of non-violence. There were some of the prominent leaders who gave us the independence. They wanted to give us independence earlier with arms and ammunition, but it was not possible for getting us the independence. Rather than that, Mahatma Gandhi, he accepted the path of non-violence and peace, and with the help of non-violence and peace, we got the independence. India became independence in the year 1947, and it says that after then the Britishers they left India, and India became republic country because the constitution was being formed, and further on it says like India is a democratic country. Now let us see what is there in the republic country. A republic is a state directly or indirectly ruled by the head who is elected by the people. So in republic it is head by elected people. So in republic, I just give you the example. If you want to take an example of Sri Narendra Modi ji, उनको कौन सिलेक्ट करता है? We are the people who are selecting Narendra Modi ji with the help of election. Guys, please keep in mind that election plays a very important role. As and when you get to the age of 18 and above, you will get that power to elect. So with the help of election, we want the strong leader to take the country to the next level. So as of what today into the current situation, Sri Narendra Modi ji is doing that particular work. People of India are very happy because earlier time what happened, India was not able to cope with the other parts of the country throughout the world. But today India is having a leading position. With the proud we can say that because of the help, because of the hard work of Narendra Modi ji, India is competing with the different parts of the world. A republic is a state directly or indirectly ruled by the head who is elected by the people. The republic was a significant feature of the ancient time and system of governance. The common meaning of Gana is mass. Gana का मतलब क्या है? It means mass. और mass मतलब the whole lot of people. For example, if you want to take the number of students in the class, अभी जैसे क्लास में number of students बैठे हैं तो 1, 2, 3 ऐसा नहीं है. There are mass of the students. There are number of students sitting in the classrooms. And if you want to have an assembly, so we can combine. For example, take of the grade 6 only, 6 A, B, C, D है. If you want to look it out for the number of students, the mass of the students, then as and when, अगर if you want to give you any kind of instructions, तो एक के बाद एक, rather than give the instructions one by one, we can call them all together into the assembly area, and we can pass on the information as in what is to be transferred to the students. So we can call the whole lot of mass, the number of students. And गाना का मतलब क्या है? Many members. जैसे मैंने बोला ना, गाना मतलब mass, मतलब बहुत सारे. A state run by more than one member can be called a republic. So state runs more than one member. It says the state which is running more than by one member, that is been termed as republic. जैसे जो हमारे जो प्राइम मिनिस्टर है नरेंद्र मोदी जी, उन्होंने क्या किया है? he has made the councils of ministers. Councils of ministers मतलब there are different people they have been given the work because they have been selected as the ministers. For example, finance ministers and the finance ministers, they carry out for the work of the budget. Other than that, we have the defense ministers. For example, अभी जो हमारे चाइना के साथ प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, तो डिफेंस मिनिस्टर is being asked by the prime minister. Prime minister asks the defense minister to show the work what is being carried out over there. जो चाइना के साथ प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है तो उसका रिपोर्ट मांगेंगे. So defense minister की ड्यूटी है, he has to have the all detailed information that what happened with India, why there is a conflict between India and China. So with the help of all this information, they can come to know and they can give the report to the Prime Minister. उसके बाद what happened along with the defense ministers, as I said, there is a foreign minister, there is home ministers. So different work is given to the different ministers. Why? Because it makes the work easier of Prime Minister. हम स्कूल का एग्जांपल आपको दें तो स्कूल के एग्जांपल में इट इज वी हैव द मैनेजिंग ट्रस्टी सर, दैट इज भागवत सिंह गोहिल. उनके अंदर आते हैं 2 डायरेक्टर्स, वन इज फॉर द गुजराती मीडियम एंड वन इज फॉर द इंग्लिश मीडियम, दैट इज विरल सर, विरल सिंह डाबी एंड जयदीप सिंह चावड़ा. Then comes the HY sir, Pathik sir. You all are all aware about the Pathik sir. Pathik sir के अंडर्स में आते हैं the principal men, both of the Gujarati as well as the English medium. Let us move ahead. The English medium principal Divya ma'am is there. Under Divya ma'am there are other that is the vice principal Arpita ma'am is there. Then we have the head in the name of the head of the school is that Kinjal ma'am is there. Then the different coordinators are given the assigned work from the primary to the higher secondary, and that coordinators takes the work from the teachers, respective teachers. So this is the way we are working. Why? Because इस तरह अगर वर्क होगा तो अल्टीमेटली that divides the work and that makes the work easier and smoother. Let us move further. Such a state was called republic. There were republics of Licchavi, of Vaisali, Sakhyas of Kapilavastu, Videh of Mithilia, Mala of Kusnera, etc. In such a system of affairs, each member was given the status of king. मतलब हर किसी को एक स्टेटस दिया गया था. That status is termed as the king. Now let us see Vaisali Vajji state. Vaisali Vajji state. Monarchy wished to increase their power and empire by occupying the surrounding territories. The first sentence is monarchy wished to increase their power. मतलब जो monarchy system थे, जो monarchy states थे, उनको उनका power expand करना था, उनको उनका power बढ़ाना था. So it says by occupying the surrounding territories. Whichever the small states were there near to the monarchy states, they wanted to increase their power by occupying that small territories. Seeing these Licchavis, Vajji, Gyatu, Videh, Sakhya, Mala, etc. 8 or 9 tribes who established the Union state for the protection was known as Vajji state. Vaisali, the capital of Licchavis, was the main center of Union state. So Vaisali, it was the it says the Vaisali, the capital of the Licchavi state. Capital of Licchavis. It says Vaisali जो था, it was the capital of Licchavis state, and it was the main union of, it was the main center of union state. मतलब ये जो था Vaisali, it was ऐसा बताया जा रहा है कि ये जो Vajji state का ये main capital, it was the main center of the Licchavis state. It was named Republic of Vaisali. Of the republic was governed by the Sabha, because of which it was called the republic. Republic में सभा होती है. We have seen, अगर हम देखे जाए, if there is a parliament, there, we have the Lok Sabha, the Rajya Sabha. If you want to pass any of the bill from the parliament, it has been given passed on to both the Sabha. Lok Sabha में जाता है, Rajya Sabha में जाता है. If the members agree, तब जाके वहाँ bill वापिस आता है, and after the signature of the president, वो bill pass होता है. In republic, all the powers of house rested in the hands of members. तो रिपब्लिक में किसके पास पावर्स रहता है? The power is in hands of members. Why members? अभी जो मैंने आपको एग्जांपल दिया है कि अगर if any of the bill need to be passed, okay, I'm talking about the current situation. If any of the bill needs to be passed, either it's from the then it is need to be passed. Because if there is more of the agreement of the members, if the members agree, then and then only the bill can be passed. If any of the members, if the majority of the members, if they have the objection and if they do not agree, then the particular bill cannot be passed. All the members sat in Sabha and all affairs were passed in the house by voting or unanimity. That's what I said. अगर if there is a voting, if all the members are agree कैसे होंगे? Vote करेंगे. If the majority of the vote is there, then particular things can be passed. कोई affairs है, कोई bill है, कोई important instructions है, in the earlier times वो pass हो सकता था. But if the members oppose, then the particular things will be stayed at the particular point. Means it cannot be passed or it cannot be implemented. The place where meeting was held was called sanctum. The elderly as well as the youth were selected as the member of the state assembly. It is not only the elder people, even the youths were being selected as the member of the state assembly. The Republicans elected the president for state administrations who was chosen by the elections. तो जो Republicans है, it says that they elected the president for state administrations. वो किसी को चूज करते थे इन टर्म्स ऑफ प्रेसिडेंट्स. क्यों? क्योंकि फॉर द प्रॉपर एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ द स्टेट, फॉर द प्रॉपर रनिंग ऑफ द स्टेट. अगर इफ देयर इज नो पर्टिकुलर पर्सन टू टेक केयर ऑफ द स्टेट, अगर फॉर एग्जांपल अगर नरेंद्र मोदी जी जो पीएम है, अगर वो प्रॉपर हम उनको सिलेक्ट ही ना करें, अगर हमारी कंट्री में प्राइम मिनिस्टर ही ना हो, तो हमारे कंट्री कोई नेक्स्ट लेवल पे जा ही नहीं सकती, प्रॉपर्ली फंक्शन कर ही नहीं सकती, प्रॉपर्ली वर्क नहीं कर सकती. Because the guidelines which has been framed, which has been given to us, we work accordingly, and as and when it has been discussed by Narendra Modi with is the Council of Ministers, and they tell us to follow. For example, अभी जो कोविड का इश्यूज प्रॉब्लम्स चल रहा है, so in the month of March, that is the end of March I am talking about. So end of March में जो इशू हुआ था, you know that they have completely locked down the state, they have completely locked down the country. That was being discussed, and after that वो decision लिया था. क्यों? Because at that time this disease was spreading like a hell. So to control the spreading of the disease, because our neighboring country, this disease we know it came from the neighboring country, from China. So to control this disease to spread in India, immediately a lockdown had been came. So why am I giving the example? Because the head of the country, he thought that there should be the complete lockdown. If there is a lockdown for a particular period of a time, then there are less chances of the spreading of the disease. We can control the spreading of the disease. So here I am giving the example because the head of the family, as in what he gives us the order, we follow the order. Example, I can give you the example of your family members. Suppose the grandfather is there into the family, he is the head of the family. Then father is for any kind of decision, if the father wants to take any kind of the decision, he needs to consult his grandfather, he needs to consult his father, and if the father agrees, then that particular thing needs to be carried on. अगर हम लोग इस तरह हमारे पेरेंट्स या हमारे पेरेंट्स के पेरेंट्स को हम पूछिए बिना काम करेंगे, there are time may come that we may get into the trouble. So it says Republic had their own councils in which many important issues like administrations, defense, war, treaty, etc. was discussed and then decided. तो Republicans में ये सब decisions लिए जाते थे. If they wanted to have a war with the neighboring territories or with the neighboring countries, okay, तो क्या होता है? They need to discuss everything. That how many guns are there, how many weapons are there, how many arms and ammunitions are there. पहले के जमाने में जो तोप वगैरह यूज होते थे, so they need to find out everything. How many members are there? What is the strength of the opposite जो kingdom के साथ जो युद्ध होने वाला है, war होने वाला है? What is the strength of their soldiers? What is the strength of the current soldiers? खाना पीना कितने दिन चल सकता है? वो सब देखे बाद, after having the consultations with all these ministers, with all these people, defense, war, treaty, etc. ये सब discuss करते हैं. उसके बाद में decisions, they take the decisions. Any member could enjoy membership for fixed time only. Any executive committee assisted the president of the republic in the administrations of the state. Now let us see the social life and the state administrations of the republic state. This is social life and state administrations of republic states. So किस तरह की social life थी? What was the social life and how the state was being administered of the republic? It says, according to archaeologists, people of this time lived in simple houses. So it says, first point is lived in simple houses. या अगर हम कहें कि at that time उस टाइम पे हाउसेस कैसे थे? इट वाज वेरी सिंपल. द हाउसेस आइदर वाज बीन मेड विद द हेल्प ऑफ क्ले एंड काव dung, जो ब्रिक्स या फिर जो कच्चे मकान हम बोलते हैं, यू नो, आइदर विद द मड. उस टाइम के हाउसेस इस तरह सिंपल जो कंस्ट्रक्ट करते थे इन कंपैरिजन टू व्हाट वी सी इन द करंट सिचुएशंस. They were associated with the pastoral activities. At this time, crops like wheat, rice, barley, sugarcane, sesame, mustard cereals were grown. So crops जो थे in terms of wheat, rice, barley, sugarcane, and these were the crops. It says like these were the crops which were grown at that particular point of time. Some of the pottery found at this time had drawing on them. तो जो potteries जो clay से बनाए जाते थे, it had the drawings, beautiful drawings, so that the work on the pottery made the particular pot a beautiful piece. The utensils were painted in grey color. At this time, rule of every state did every possible thing for the defense of his state. It says like जो भी state था, they wanted to be the powerful, so they did everything to protect their states in comparison from the neighboring states if they had any kind of a threat. Prayagraj dates back to around 2500 years ago, so we can say that the forts with high walls might have been constructed at that time. They have given to the example of Prayagraj. और कितने years back बोले? It is back to 2500 years ago. And by having that example, we can come to know that what was the building and what was the fort at that particular point of time. All the Mahajanpads of the time needed a large army and a strong fort for their defense. Yes, if I stated, if there is less number of people in terms of your army, then you are not capable to have a war with other army, because it may be a chance that you may lose the war. So it says Mahajanpas require a huge army, because if a war has been taken place, they can easily come out as a leader. Cattle rearers gave cattle as a part of tax. There was been some of the tax collected for giving, you know, tax collect करते थे. क्यों? क्योंकि वो राजा को देते थे for bringing up more of the things into the army. So tax कहाँ से लेते थे? Cattle rearers, जो the shepherds were there, they were giving the tax, give cattle as a tax, as a part of an own cattle उनको देते थे to the kings as a part of the tax. Other than tax has been taken by the farmers. The merchants used to pay tax on the sale of goods. So here, students, we are finishing the chapter. This was the last part of the chapter number 4. As I said, the early stage of political system in India. In this chapter, we have studied the different janpad. You have studied the meaning of the word janpad. You have seen what is the meaning of the word Mahajanpad. There are 16 Mahajanpads, and we have seen like उनके जो capital थे उस time, and we have also seen the current location of that particular capital and what is there into the current locations. We have come across the meaning of the word monarchy. Monarchy, as we all know, that it means a state which is either been ruled by the king or the queen, or else, and they have to follow the rules and regulations which have been framed by the king and queen. Further, we have seen what is today. We have seen what is the meaning of the word republic, and it says it is either been elected by the people. In India, we know that I give the example of India, that India is a republic country. The head of the country has been elected with the help of voting, and this thing, as and when you grow up, when you have that voting right with you, you will definitely come to know more of the things, the importance of the voting in your life. Further, we have seen the Vaisali Vajra state. What was there? What did they do for the people of the particular state? What is the capital of that? It says Vaisali's capital is capital of this Vaisali is the capital of Lachavis. And further, it says the power is in the hands of the members. They select the main particular person for the proper administrations. And further, we have seen about the social life and the state administrations of the republic states. Students, it's a humble request that you please go through the videos, see the videos once, twice, and along with the videos, please refer the textbook. If the textbook is there and when you are hearing the videos, it will be more easy for you to assess what I am explaining to you. As and when we have the live session, we will discuss about the doubts which you are having. Till then, students, be safe, take care of yourself, study home, and give your best. Thank you and have a nice day.